well, I've got some damage to my headlight. The outer coating's peeling off, and I've purchased this headlamp repair cream from Temu in the hope that it will improve on the current situation. This product is very highly reviewed and came to me at the princely cost of £1.72 delivered. I've cleaned the headlight just with some neat car shampoo, and we've gave everything a good rinse, so we're in the best possible position before we start with this cream. Well, we've opened up the product and this is what we've got. We've got a pad there, and it says scan the QR code for instructions, but we've already got the instructions there. So it's shake the product evenly. So we're going to shake the product in an even manner before use. Okay, so it's easy to read the instructions through the phone as they're that small. Well, we're just about to apply some on this pad, and if you look in there you can see that there's some foil what obviously covered the bottle, and that's blocking the cap now. So with the foil removed, we should be able to put a bit on the cloth. Now we're just going to work this. It did say one wipe action, so I'm not sure what to expect with that. I'll just cover the full light. I think we need to reapply some more. I'm not sure if we've improved anything at all there, so I'm going to keep working on an area this time, just to see if we can put a clear line in. Well, I've done both headlights and I'm not seeing any signs of improvement as yet. We've still got some discoloration here. It does say you've got to keep wiping it. I've put quite a bit of effort in and I think we are winning. It's just a lot more effort than what it says on the bottle. Now, I do have a headlamp on another vehicle that's very yellowed that I want to try. You can kind of hear it with like a rough tone there, and then if we go to a bit I've really rubbed it, it's a lot smoother. So we are winning. For comparison, we've just give this one a light coating. So we'll take this off with a microfiber cloth as instructed. And you can see there, we've still got areas that need work. So I've been at this side around 20 minutes and we'll just give it a microfiber wipe and wipe the excess off as per the instructions. And yeah, we have achieved an improvement. It's not perfect, but it's noticeably better. Well, we've got a headlamp here that's quite yellowed and discoloured, so we'll give that our best shot at revitalising it. Well, I've got a good visual, noticeable improvement on this one. As the weather's turning inclement, we can see the detail in the headlamp, so I'd say, yeah, it works. And I'll just show you the other side for comparison. And it's looking considerably more foggier, so I would say the lighter the hazing on your headlamp, the better this product will be. So if we go back to the Volvo, there's just remnants of the deeper sun fading, and hopefully you can see that there's a bit of crazing there. On the course of the headlamps have been sanded and treated using a kit. This car hasn't been as yet. Well, I think it works, but it has its limitations, so why not subscribe for more Temu product trials?